I'm thrilled to be visiting with Chef Jack Lee in Ho Chi Minh City. He's already shared his delicious recipe for pho, and I can't wait to see what's next.
I'm gonna make you one of my favorite dishes, the beautiful pomelo salad.
I love pomelo, and it's an ingredient that we don't really have access to at home. And for me, it's such a treat.
Wanna try?
Sure, I'll try a little bit, just a little.
Yeah. Right?
This is super sweet. So that's the base of the salad.
Yes.
And what else do we have here?
We have carrots, Vietnamese coriander, red pepper, shallot, pulled chicken breast, and shrimp.
Oh, this is super healthy
Yeah.
and light.
So we're gonna start with sugar and fish sauce.
That's very important in Vietnamese cooking, isn't it?
Yes. And this is about 5 spoons of lime juice. You wanna stir this until all the sugar dissolve.
And I notice there's no oil going into this.
No,
So it's not like a Western salad dressing.
no. I'm gonna add the garlic and the chili now. Few more stirs, and we're good. In Vietnamese cuisine, this is everything. You gotta have this.
All right.
Okay, without the sauce, it don't mean a thing.
I love it.
So let's assemble them. Carrots, onions, coriander, shallot, pomelo, and pepper.
For that pop.
See that
of
color?
Love it.
Little shrimp, chicken breast. So now we're gonna put some of these. This is the fried garlic to give it the nice fragrance. See?
Good toastiness.
Yes. And the sauce now.
Okay.
Evenly spread about 4 spoons.
So not all of it, just a little light
Just-
coating.
Yeah, enough to coat. There you go.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
All kinds of color. Lastly, peanut.
Oh, a little crunch.
Let's plate it now. It's a happy, healthy salad. Yay. So here it is, my beautiful pomelo salad.
I think that is absolutely stunning. It just jumps off the plate with the color,
Yeah.
and it's ready to jump into my mouth. So how do we eat it?
We eat it with a palm cracker. So what you do is you put a little salad in the palm cracker, eat it, and it's one taste. Ready?
Oh, this is absolutely scrumptious.
Thank you.
That contrast from the crunch to the soft. I could eat this every single day and I'd be happy.
Me too.